Hey everyone, it's Angel PS here, and I am in the car because I am bored and my sister and her friend are really
Did you get to do a session?
We did screen
tired.
It's like when we were doing a handshake. It was like
Just don't pay attention. Okay. Well, I'm going in the car going somewhere for young women, so I just hope you enjoy this video for when I get there. So yeah, enjoy this video and please subscribe. So yeah,
So you just did.
love you guys.
when we do
Enjoy the
check out my
video.
channel.
Yeah, enjoy it and
We do.
yeah,
We do.
yes. Check out Cute Sarah and my sister Sunnyshine's channel.
You actually remember.
Yeah.
The no paper.
Yeah. Okay.
My soul is getting restless for the place where I belong. I can't wait to join the angels and sing my heaven song.
Alright everyone, I'm here at, I have no idea what this place is, so I'm just going to show the sign. So, I am here at Brick Springs and I am really freaking out. The girl that passed me was Alyssa, the girl in my ward, so we are here finally. So I'm just going to show you where I am and I will just happy. Guys! So yeah, I'm here. It's really pretty. It's this really pretty place, and I just really like it. There's the mountains. People are playing football for some reason. Oh look, there's a bridge. You better not throw a ball at my head. Oh my goodness, there's a dog. I'm gonna chase it. Hi! And it's so cute. It's so cute. There's like a dog right there. Maybe nature is not that bad after all. Nature is just so beautiful. Look at the nature. This is like the third nature walk I ever took. There's a bridge. There's a dog. There's trees. And there's the smell of glorious victory. And then I'm just gonna join my young woman's ward and I'll be gone. Beautiful! And there are my sister and her friend being goofy. Hello, girls!
Haley, don't run off. Yeah, you go too far away. You have to stay with us.
I want to join the nature.
This is nature.
Duh. Being on the grass is nature.
Being everywhere is nature.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, look, guys, there's a dog over there.
Fine, it's nature.
No, we have
only
plants.
nature.
This is nature, and it's glorious. Ah! And I don't want to get hit in the head by a ball. Yay! And then there's people taking selfies. So yeah, everything is beautiful. I'll see you. Okay, guys, this is my nature thing, and I'll see you in my next video, I guess. See ya, and bye. It's beautiful. So yeah, that's, I just want to say, so I just don't want to mess this up. This is beautiful. Well, I think it's time to eat now, so I'm just to stop this video, and I hope, thanks for watching, and please comment, like, and subscribe. So yeah, see ya. Goodbye, everyone.
Second that this world could give. I saw so many places, the things that I did. Yeah, with every broken bone, I swear I live.